Good evening, everybody. This is Sue, as you can tell, your district governor-elect. I have the honor of being here representing our district at the International Assembly this year. My husband and I are here in Orlando, enjoying the camaraderie, the friendship, and just plain old Rotary fun. There are 530 districts in Rotary International, and every district governor-elect is here for the evening and here for the week of training and experiences. We have met people from the Ukraine, from Japan, from the Philippines. Tonight we had dinner with people from Europe and Canada, all over the world, people just like us, doing good work, making a difference in their communities. So I'm going to do this every night, let you know who I meet and what I've talked about, what I've learned. If you have the opportunity in your life to think about being part of the district governor line, this is what you get. You get a cocktail party for 1,000 people from all over the world. Talk to you soon. I'll do this again tomorrow, and I'm committed to educating people about what goes on beyond our district. Thanks. Good night.